Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows Admin Center uh, on Windows. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your browser and type Windows Admin Center download, okay, and then enter. This is the first website where you can download Windows Admin Center, Microsoft website. Just click on that. As you can see here, download Windows Admin Center. Click on this button or link, and Windows Admin Center will be downloaded. I already downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. I'm going to close the browser and to show you how to install it. Okay, I already downloaded. This is the setup. Just double click on the setup, preparing to install. uh, accept the terms. Next, just follow the instruction. It's very easy to install. Okay, yes, I use update when I check on the recommended. Next, next, and install. That's how you can install Windows Admin Center on Windows. It's very easy and very simple. Now we have to wait. The installation should be finished in a while. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. The installation has been successfully finished. Open or finish, just click on finish. That's how you can install Microsoft Admin Center on Windows. Microsoft Admin Center. You search it and you will find it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. See you in the next video.